of the electrical department, Dr. Mahesh sir, to invite me for this national webinar on the IEEE awareness. So these are the outlines of my presentation. So first we will go with what is the IEEE, the value of IEEE membership, IEEE awards and travel grants, IEEE professional networks, and finally IEEE financial supports. So these are the major outlines in my presentation. So total I hope 1 hour's schedule for the presentation. Correct, Satish sir?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. So before going for in the detail of the IEEE, so first we know about what is the IEEE. So IEEE stands on Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Describe itself as, so here is basically student is confused about it is a basically on electrical and electronics engineering. It is not like that. It is not like only for this society is for electrical and electronics. In detail, I will explain so why it is not only focused on electrical and electronics. So what is the motto of this IEEE? So it is say the world's largest technical professional society promoting the development and application of electro technology and align science for the benefit of humanity and the advance of the professional and the well-being of the awards member. So basically, this IEEE it is like non-profit organization. This is an international non-profit organization, and also this is a professional society. So basically, this enhance the education in the science as well as the non-technical activity and promote this activity in the different college area as well as the society. So this is a main motto and main vision of the IEEE. So now I will tell about the brief about the IEEE IIT Mandi student branch. So basically motto of IEEE student branch chapter IIT Mandi is fun and meet new people, gather new experience to learn the industrial skill to enhance the ourselves. So basically here in IEEE, that is a not like we just discuss the technical thing and we can just aspire to like research scholar and to like MTech scholar. So it is not like main motto of IEEE IIT Mandi student batch. It is a like fun and meet the new people. So we can meet with the new people and then we can enjoy and then make the new activity. That is the main motto of IEEE student batch chapter IIT Mandi. So this last year we designed this IEEE logo, and based on this logo, actually last year we also received the second worldwide second prize on this logo. And if you want to see the more detail about the IEEE IIT Mandi student branch, then you can visit this website. So you can get the more information about the IEEE IIT Mandi student branch chapter. So currently we have at IIT Mandi, currently we have total 7 society. So first one is a IEEE IES Industrial Application Society. Second one is a PES Power and Energy Society. Third one is a Robotics RS Society. Fourth one is a Power Electronics Society, which currently available in your institute, New Horizon College of Engineering, Bangalore. Fifth one is a Industrial Electronics Society. And last two is a affinity group, that is a IEEE Women in Engineering and IEEE SITE. So SITE stands on the Special Interest Group on Humanitarian Technology. So recently, last year October, we opened this SITE society. So actually in IEEE IIT Mandi opened in 2015, this IEEE student branch chapter. And based on then we increased the number of society based on the interest of the IEEE volunteer. So currently we have total 7th IEEE society at IIT Mandi. So now who are IEEE students? So major issue with student asking why we involve in IEEE and what is the motto of IEEE? Because IEEE membership is not free. We have to pay $27 every year. That is for student member. If you are become a professional member like faculty member, then that amount will increase. That depend on your position. So basically, this who are IEEE students. So it is an international body of innovative members and volunteers who are digitally native, interested in the enhancing their professional image, expanding their global network, connecting with the peer, and giving the back their community. So basically, motto is we can get the more information like technical and everything, but we cannot get experience from the online, correct? So this IEEE actually deliver the experience and we can connect with the professional member. So we can get more experience with the person. So that is a main motto with the IEEE student body, not IEEE. That is IEEE student body. That is we can say IEEE volunteer. So that is approximate 1 lakh student plus and graduate student member. It is involved in IEEE. So based on this data, it is a 2019 data, and 25% of the membership of IEEE in 100 plus countries involved in the IEEE. So we can connect 100 plus country. So we can easily, suppose you are IEEE member, so we can easily connect with a 1000 plus country with a person and 2000 plus student branch. So you can guess, suppose we are IEEE member, so we have a lot of opportunity. So we can share our problem, we can get lot of solution from the professional network and professional body. So that is the main motto of IEEE student volunteer body. So now what is the value of the IEEE membership? So that is basically main three things. One is the knowledge, community, and third one is a profession. So knowledge. So somebody from in IIT Mandi, actually, lot of students asking me. So knowledge we can get from the internet. A lot of information is available on the internet, so we can get the knowledge. So why we should pay the $27 each year for the IEEE membership? But knowledge, whatever available on the net, that is not sure that is a correct information. So we can get exact knowledge by directly talk with the expert. So that is you can get the knowledge, exact knowledge with the professional network. So that is the main benefit. Then community. So nowadays there is a lot of social media available. Maybe the Facebook, that is any social media network. That is just time pass. We cannot get any information from this social media. But here is a lot of technical social media is there, so we can just get our relevant information. So that is a community, and then is a professional network. So we can make the one professional group, then we can empowering the member to build their career and giving the back to the society. Whatever we achieve, whatever we learn from our education, so we can again give back to our society. That is the main motto of our education as well as the IEEE membership. So that is the main 3 point for the IEEE, the value of the IEEE membership: knowledge, community, and professional. Now, suppose we paid around like $27 for the like student member as well as the graduate student member, and for the like higher professional, that is like member, we around pay around like $85 per year. So what is the benefit? So keeping technically current. So we have to update our profile technically regular basis, correct? So suppose you are not reading anything, so your profile is not updated. So you are not technically correct. So that is a satisfied the software development professional, ebook classics, IEEE member, digital library, XX2, that is also possible. Potential magazine. So every month you will receive the potential magazine in digital as well as the hard copy. So depend on your membership. IEEE professional magazines print. Suppose you will pay the amount, then you will get also print magazines. And IEEE Society News, IEEE Spectrum magazine, IEEE standards. Nowadays we are doing the research, correct? So we have to work on the standards. Suppose you are designing something, so you have to follow the some IEEE standard, ISO standard. So you can easily get standard by from IEEE. And then is IEEE Explore abstract. So this Explore abstract, it is not useful maybe for the BTech student, but this useful for the MTech as well as a faculty member as well as the research scholar. So from this IEEE Explore, you can easily get the IEEE abstract, and you can see, you can get the basic information about the research paper. And IEEE USA ebook and IEEE TV and proceeding of the IEEE. So technically content you can get from this IEEE membership. Now suppose like BTech student. So BTech students suppose asking that FTech technical research paper is not useful for BTech student, obviously, because BTech is not like research, it is like coursework. So career resource and recognition, BTech student mostly focus on the career as well as the job opportunity. So we have to, what is suppose BTech student involve and get a membership. So what is the benefit to BTech student? So first one is awards. So awards is a major important part for the BTech student. Then is a career webinar, e-learning library, IEEE continue education provides program. So even suppose you are not, suppose BTech student don't want to involve the present in the class physically, and they want to attend the, they want to get the knowledge from the online website, that is IEEE continue education provides program, that is a important coursework in the IEEE. Then IEEE job sites. So from your side, you can get the information of the job. IEEE Mentor Center. So suppose you have any problem technically, then you can get, put your problem in the IEEE Mentor Center. So somebody will reply, and then telephonic you can discuss your problem. And IEEE Women in Engineering, member grade elevation, my IEEE and resume lab. From IEEE platform, you can also create your resume, standards resume, and how to make the resume. So also you will get this information from the IEEE and students awards, scholarship, and fellowship. So major thing in the BTech level, that is like awards, career webinar, and resume lab. And apart from the BTech, that is a MTech student, faculty member, as well as a research scholar, that e-learning library, continue education, and mentor center, as well as the member grade elevation. So these are the benefits. So that is every student from the BTech level to the like high profile level candidate. So IEEE is more benefit. So like professional networking. So professional networking is a discount on the IEEE conference. Suppose you will attend any conference, IEEE conference, then every conference is given around like 10 to 20% discount depend on the conference quality. So maybe suppose I am taking one example, IEEE IS annual meeting. So IEEE Industrial Application annual meeting every year held in the USA. So IEEE IS annual meeting is provided. Suppose you are IEEE member, then IEEE IS annual meeting provides like 20% discount on your membership. Then Google App @IEEE, correct. So currently you can see my email address is rajesh.pidoria@IEEE. So you can get also your email address with professional @IEEE. And member net. So that is the main benefit of member net. So you can connect with IEEE member and you can discuss your problem, you can discuss your technical problem, everything with a professional network. Local meeting. Local meeting interface, currently you are in Bangalore. So Bangalore have also section. So currently I am in IIT Mandi, so I am coming in under the Delhi section. So in Bangalore itself, it is a section, so you are in Bangalore section. So local meeting, it is possible. Suppose you are organizing any event, so you can contact with the local chapter chair and you can meet with the local network, online community, volunteer, and young professional. So formally gold. Why I am recommending formally gold? This is a golden opportunity, so you can connect with the young professional member and you can get the more experience from the young professional member. So that's why I formally written formally gold. So continue with the membership benefit. So one is a conference and workshop attend. So suppose you are the IEEE member, so you can easily get a chance to register the conference and attend the conference as well as symposium and the workshop. That is easily possible. Suppose you are the IEEE member. And then is a technical committee. Suppose you are a IEEE member, then you will get easily in the technical committee. Currently, I am a reviewer of the many IEEE transactions, like IEEE transaction on power electronics, IEEE transaction on industrial application, IEEE transaction on industrial electronics. So numerous transactions I am a like reviewer in the technical paper. So you will get the more idea by review the high quality of research work. So power conversion system and component, motor drives and actuator, vehicle and transportation system, sustainable energy. So you will get, once you are become the IEEE member and actively enroll in the IEEE volunteership, then you will automatically receive your review request. then you will get more information in your research area. So this mostly focus on the research scholar as well as the faculty member. And then it's easy to access book, tutorials, webinar, and video tapes at discount rate on the free, also free, that is based on your IEEE membership volunteership. Now it's a network. So you can see on the slide number, this slide number, so a lot of professional members are available and get together and share their thought with the other member. So that is a PLS has over 150 chapter, national and international, professional and student. So young professionals enjoy the network event at the APEC. APEC is a conference. ECC North Asia, Asia, Europe. SPEC is also conference. So you can attend the conference and you can get the benefit from the professional member. So that is a main benefit. And then it's a women in engineering, event and social and mentorship. So that is a main benefit from the IEEE membership program. So suppose you pay the $27 per year. So main benefit is you can directly reimburse this amount from the tech benefit of the discount to attend the IEEE conference. So ultimately you will get back the amount. Suppose you attend any conference and suppose you will get any book from the online. So you will get discount and affinity program that is offer saving also. So that is a not easy. $27 is a not big amount for the like PhD scholar as well as the faculty member. So that is IEEE. In first slide I told that is a IEEE stand on Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. So people thinking that is for only for electrical engineer and electronics engineer, but it is a not good thing. It is like bad information. So that is IEEE various society available. So here I written 39 society. Apart from 39 society, many societies are available in the IEEE. So you can see Aerospace and Electronics Society available, Photonics Society available, Product Safety Engineering available, Professional Communication available, Robotics and Automation available. So apart from the electrical and electronics, many societies are available in the IEEE society membership. So this Power Energy Society is the oldest society in the IEEE. So Power and Energy Society is the oldest society in the IEEE, and so many transactions are available in the IEEE PES. So suppose you are a research scholar, suppose you are a faculty member, and suppose you want to submit your paper in the reputed transaction. So here I written some name, that is IEEE transaction on energy conversion, transaction on power delivery, transactions on power system, transactions on sustainable energy, transactions on smart grid, and power energy magazines. So you can submit your research work in this journal and you will get some output from the reviewer response. So this is a main benefit for the Power Energy Society membership. Suppose you are an IEEE member, but you will not member of the PES, then you have to take the membership of the IEEE PES, and then you can submit your paper in this type of journals. And second one is a Industrial Application Society. So annual conference, reputed IEEE IS conference is IEEE IS annual meeting, energy conversion congress and exposition, apply power electronics. So these are the like reputed conference in the IEEE IS. Now what about the RS? That is a RS stand on Robotics and Automation Society. Robotics and Automation Society. So that is a IEEE RS annual meeting, International Conference on Robotics and Automation, International Conference on Informatics in Control and Automation and Robotics. So these are the some reputed annual conference in the RS. So somebody is working on the robotics and automation. So you can submit your research paper in this type of conference which is related to RS. And this one is Women in Engineering, WI. So this WI is a free of cost membership. Suppose you are an IEEE member, then you will get this WI membership without money. So that is a free of cost. So there is a no any promo code. There is a by default is a $0. So annual conference is WI International Leadership Conference. WI International Leadership Summit, and Tech Powered by Women Workshop. So more information you can get from this website, that is officially wi.ieee.org. So this is basically more focus on the women. So that is like women in power. So that is mostly depend on the women. So most of the time, women will get benefit from this WI society. Now I will come back with the volunteership. So suppose you are in your institute, IEEE student branch chapter is there, and basically that PLS is there, Power Electronic Society. So for running and for sustain the society, we need some volunteer, correct? Because faculty role is just teaching the student and get the project to institute. So for sustaining and for running the IEEE, we need the volunteer. Suppose somebody is a volunteer in the IEEE, then what is the benefit to this volunteer? So now I will discuss in the next sliding. So what is the benefit to the volunteer? So that is a student branch, local section, regional, and globally. So volunteer opportunities depend on the 4 reasons. That is a student branch. That is the second one is a local section. Local section means like Bangalore section, Delhi section, UP section, Gujarat section. Region in IEEE total 10 region. So our India is a region 10. So region 1 to region 5 it is a USA, and then is a Canada. Then region 10 is our China, Japan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, India. It is coming region 10. So our is a region 10, and then is a globally. So you will involve in the globally volunteer opportunity depend on your strength. So you have a 4 chance. You have a 4 option to involve depend on your strength. So IEEE society offering the grants. So main is here because our mentality is why we pay the $27, otherwise the more than $27. So what is the benefit to us? So that is the main focus on the society offering the grant. So IEEE Circuit and System Society also offering the grant. So depend on your research work, you can submit your paper and present in the conference. So suppose your paper is selected in particular XYZ conference, then that you can request that conference. I am an active member in the IEEE. So I have not too much amount to attend this conference physically. So if possible, then you can just support me 50%, 60%. So depend on your IEEE volunteer position. So they will reimburse the amount. Now it's IEEE PES awards. So many awards are available in the IEEE society. So you will have to work out on the award, and depend on that eligible criteria and the aim, we can submit our application for the IEEE awards. So that awards, resource and history, technical committee award, PES fellows, society level awards, technical field award. Technical field means that is a research field. That is, suppose you are working on any technical work. So you can submit. So you can say, this is my novel idea, and I working on this topic, and this will helpful in our local society. So based on your strength and based on your approach, you will get the award. Technical counseling award, chapter awards. So many awards available in this PES awards, only for power and energy societies. And what about in IS awards for the Industrial Application Society? So only here I written the few awards. Apart from these awards, many awards are available. So this list of the awards are here. So Distinguished Service Awards here, Outstanding Achievement Award here, Outstanding Young Member Service Awards. So in 2019, I received this Outstanding Young Member Service Award, and that is a Kelman Awards. So many awards are available. So depend on your volunteership and depend on your student activity in your student branch chapter. So you can submit your application and try to get award from the IEEE US session. And now is IEEE Student Award. So this is for only for the student member who are student member as well as the graduate student member. So graduate student member means after the BTech. Suppose you completed the BTech and then you are doing the MTech, then it will be eligible for the IEEE graduate student member. So that is a Mayer-Zuckerberg program, design content, generally for the final year graduate student member, that is a BTech 4th year. Travel award for the Mayer-Zuckerberg undergraduate student travel are awarded selected student each year. So that is for only undergraduate student. And then is a AMTGB, that is a annual meeting travel grant award. So these are the awards for the all, that is a student as well as the faculty member. And that CMD stand on chapter membership department, chapter membership department outstanding member award. And then is ISCMD student robotics demonstration contest. So mostly BTech student in final year designed some project. So maybe some student is design maybe robotics. Then they submit that project in the IEEE ISCMD student robotics content. So based on the work, they will judge and they will review your project, and then finally they will give you awards. And IEEE IS student thesis content. So this thesis is basically for the MTech, MS as well as the PhD thesis. So this award categorized into two types. One is a non-PhD category and another one is a PhD category. So basically across the globe, they will give a 3 award in each category. For the PhD, 3 award, and for the MTech, 3 award. So you can just submit your thesis and you can just submit abstract, and based on your thesis work, they will evaluate your thesis and basically they will award first, second, and third rank on your thesis work. So what is the awards? So awards include the first rank, it is a $1,000 cash amount. Free travel, there is a free journey from India to USA. That is a fully travel support. That is around like $1,500. Free accommodation in the 5-star hotel, and also certificate for the thesis award. So that is our first awards. Second award, there is a 700 cash amount, and then is a free USA trip, certificate, accommodation, everything. And third is only $300 no travel grant, no accommodation, nothing, only for $300 as well as the certificate. And Meyer Zuckerberg student faculty grant program. So this award is basically for the faculty member as well as the student member. Suppose some faculty want to submit a project and in IEEE IS, then enroll in the student and make project proposal and submit in the IEEE IS Meyer Zuckerberg student faculty grant program. So this year also I submitted one project with my supervisor. So let's see with positive hope. So this is basically maximum amount is a $25,000. That is a maximum amount for this student faculty grant program. Plus 3 members will attend the IEEE IS annual meeting. That is a free of cost. So IEEE IS provide fully funded. So there is a travel grant, accommodation, everything they will provide. Just you need to go from India to USA. And then it's a IEEE CMD humanitarian content. So humanitarian contents means basically, suppose you are doing some good work for the locality, then you can submit your application and then you will get the chance for this award. So these are the awards available in IEEE IS student branch chapter. And what about the IEEE WI student branch? So WI inspired member for the 1 year of the year award, inspired student of the year award, IEEE WI affinity group of the year award. So this affinity group means student branch level, and these 2 awards for the particular member. So first one is a faculty member and second one is for a student member. So every year IEEE WI is announced these 3 awards. And then is IEEE student project grant. So this project grant is basically standards education committee that is involved in the evaluation process, and grant is USA $500 for the student per project. Suppose some student have some idea, suppose in e-vehicle, yeah, any project, some idea, and suppose some faculty is also involved and encourage to those students, then submit the project, and based on the project work, they will assign to $500 and $300 for the faculty mentor to help complete senior as well as undergraduate or graduate project. So $500 receive the student and $300 received by faculty member. So also this is a good opportunity to the student as well as the faculty member, because you will receive awards as well as the fund. That is the main thing in the every institute. Whatever we receive the fund, or whatever we receive project in our institute. So based on our technical research work, our promotion is eligible. So this is the main thing for the faculty member as well as student. Project may be the design, constant development, research in which the industry technical standards was applied to complete the project. So basically, project is depend on the your design, development, or research. That is not like only for design. So that is everything possible, but you need to check the eligible criteria. Yes, continue with the project grant. So that is IEEE Laser and Electro Optic Society also provide the project grant. Canadian Foundation also provide the project grant for the doing the research. IEEE Student Enterprise Awards, Dalen Chow Student Activity Awards. So last year actually I received these awards on behalf of the IEEE Student Branch Chapter IIT Mandi. So this is like across the globe. So only one awards USA give to one society. So last year actually IIT Mandi Student Branch Chapter received this Dalen Chow Student Activity Awards. So basically these awards, so based on our activity, how many activity you did in the last year, so then we need to submit the application, and based on the our activity, they will evaluate and they will give the award. Then is a graduate student research grant grants from the Computation Intelligence Society, that is a CIS society, that is a Computation Intelligence Society. So scholarship vary from the 1,000 to 4,000 US dollars. So that is basically for the graduate student level. So this is basically for the master level student. So you will get amount like 10,000, 1,000 US dollar to 4,000 US dollar. And this amount is not for like your institute. This is your personal amount. So institute will not get amount from this awarded amount. So that is not like suppose some student is thinking, suppose we submit our award and then institute will take around 50%, 60%. So that is not like that. This award is your personal amount. This is not coming in institute account. This is coming from USA directly your bank account. So this is your personal amount. Now coding competition. Suppose some student is actively involved in the computer science and coding. So nowadays, most of the BTech computer science student is involved in the coding, and also whatever is college placement is there, they are asking for the written test coding base. So suppose you are an expert in the coding, then you will take the part in the coding competition. That is a IEEE Extremely Program competition. So since last 3 years, actually, I am involved in the IEEE Extremely Programming competition, not like as a participant, but as a mentor. So in 2019, I was the regional mentor, and in 2020, I was the partner of the IEEE Assembly Program competition. So you can get involved in the coding competition, and you will get award from the IEEE Assembly Programming competition. What do IEEE student member want? Yes. So I already discussed. Actually, suppose you are IEEE member, then what you want from IEEE? So that student member want, basically here I make the table. So to student member as well as the IEEE provide it is member. So student member want access to career and employment research. So yes, IEEE provide continued education through the variety of e-learning resources. Second thing, student want remain technically current through education resource and programming. Yes, free bi-monthly copy of IEEE Potential magazine you will receive in hard copy as well as soft copy, suppose you are an IEEE member. Third thing is expand the network beyond your school. So you want to expand your network, correct? Suppose you are in Bangalore New Horizon College of Engineering. So you want to expand your network, correct? Suppose you want to learn the new thing. So you have to go beyond your college. So how we can expand our network? So that expand the network, so IEEE provide access to travel grant for local and as well as the global conference, as well as the access the funding opportunity for the variety of activity, project, and event. Suppose when I was in BTech, that time I don't have amount to attend the global conference as well as the local conference. Suppose you want to travel, suppose BTech student want to travel from Bangalore to Delhi, then we need to spend amount, correct? Then suppose you are an IEEE member and active in the IEEE volunteership, then totally 100% provide the travel grant by IEEE Bangalore section. Otherwise, you can request directly USA. Then USA will provide 100% travel grant. So these three benefits student will get from the IEEE. Then how we can connect with each other? So connect with us. There is one is a main network, that is IEEE Collaborate. So globally student exchange community. So you can say, so this network is basically like Facebook. In Facebook, you can just share your non-technical thing in everything. So you say just, actually I don't like the Facebook, because in suppose you are open the Facebook, then you can just create a time pass, correct? But in IEEE Collaborate, that is like IEEE student exchange community. So here you can discuss the technical thing and you can share your idea and everything. And the second thing is IEEE TV. So this is just actually like a TV. So every program is available live in the IEEE student channel. Suppose IIT Mandi is doing some activity and I want to broadcast online. So you can just create on IEEE student channel net account, and you can easily show the whatever activity is going on in the different student chapter from IEEE tool. And here is IEEE that Facebook. So this is not like IEEE Facebook. This is a Facebook, and there is a one page that is IEEE student page is there for the publicity. So you can also join this group and take the more benefit for the IEEE. So this is a main three social media, so you can easily connect with the professional network. And most of the, suppose now most, I hope 50% member is IEEE in your institute, but somebody don't know about how to ensure your IEEE membership profile is up to date, correct? Maybe since when I joined the IEEE, so I don't know so how to update my profile and everything. So just you log into your IEEE account annually and be sure your personal information is accurate, address, email, full name, area, everything. So every time you have to update your profile. So that is a good thing for the professional network as well as the other professional network. How to locate your IEEE membership number? So also you can just directly search on IEEE Collaborate. From that you can download your membership certificate and you can publish. You can put in your social media, just I am a IEEE member. So you can just create the IEEE Collaborate account and you can connect with a professional network and you can take download your membership certificate. How to find the other IEEE student branch? So visit this student.IEEE.org and search the worldwide map for the listening. Suppose you want to collaborate your activity with any other student branch chapter, but you don't have information to how many student branch chapter available in the Bangalore section. So you can just see, just you can click on the student.IEEE.org and you can search Bangalore section, then you will get a lot of student branch chapter in your local area. How to find the professional IEEE members? Yes, this is an important thing for the faculty member as well as a research scholar, because we need the professional network in the research. Because every faculty, every person is not 100% powerful. So we need some information from the other faculty member, other colleague. So you can see, just search on IEEE roster. So this is only for volunteers, to locate the name and email member and volunteer. So you can just search on the IEEE roster. Suppose you want to search me, then you can just type Rajesh and Pindoria, then you will easily connect with me. So this is the main thing in the IEEE for the increase the professional network. Like beyond the student branch chapter, suppose you have a student branch chapter, and then what is the benefit beyond the student branch chapter? Correct. Suppose you are not working in any institute, not working in any industry, and suppose you beyond the student branch chapter, then what is the benefit? So IEEE member directory via access the all the active IEEE student and professional member allowing the networking and collaboration. So you can just active in the IEEE Collaborate tech. So for the Collaborate activate, it is not like that you are involved, you are the enrolled in the any industry as well as the any institute. So without any registration, any enrollment, you can get the benefit of IEEE. That's why title of this slide it is beyond the student branch. Then is the next slide. This is like SAC, IEEE SAC. So SAC stand on the student activity committee. So this is basically depend on the totally IEEE student activity committee. So more than 1 lakh IEEE student and graduate student members worldwide is involved in the society SEC. So from this SEC, you will receive the fund for the organized activity. You will receive the awards for your volunteership. Everything you will receive from this IEEE student activity committee. So main motto of this, it is a deliver the common high quality IEEE student member experience globally for the lifelong professional success through IEEE membership. So this is the main thing for the IEEE student volunteer as well as IEEE student branch chapter. Student activity at your local IEEE section. So basically there is one is a SSR. SSR stand on the selection section student representative, and SSAC section student activity chain. So these two positions at your local section as they are to support your activity. So you can just request to them SSR, otherwise SSC. I am planning to organize this type of activity. So please partially support for this successfully organize this activity. Now main thing is the financially support. So this one is a last headline, last outline of my presentation. So this is a financially support for the members. Suppose you are IEEE members, so travel grant, education scholarship, humanitarian projects, conference and awards. So you will get this financial support from the IEEE. Suppose you are IEEE member, and suppose you are IEEE volunteer, then it's a student professional awareness activities, virtual and in-person leadership training, student branch activities, projects, and the regional conference. So whatever type of activity you will organize, then IEEE will support maybe the fully, maybe the 50%, maybe the 25%. That is depend on the activeness of your student branch captain. So you will get this financial support from the IEEE. Complete recognition enterprise. Suppose you are actively in the IEEE, correct? So since last 7 years, I am actively in the IEEE volunteer. So once it's a member, get a member. So this MGM, it is most of the people don't know what is a MGM. MGM means suppose I am a IEEE member and somebody somebody is not IEEE member. So you will encourage to him or her to take the membership. And whenever you take the membership, then you will just register your member as a IEEE member, and then you will receive the $2 in your next year. So once the member you will become, then you will receive the $2 in your membership. So that is a member get a member. That is a direct benefit to the student as well as the every faculty member. Suppose faculty member, then you will receive the $5 for each become the member. And second is a IEEE into focus photo content. So whatever you are doing the research, see, this is the Indian Kerala images from the Kerala section. So share your IEEE photo each month for the chance to be the features of IEEE promotion material and win the great prize. So here price is mostly $100 US Amazon voucher. Suppose your photo is selected for this content. So you will get a $100 every month. Then gift of the membership. Suppose you want to gift the membership to somebody. Then there is a holiday or birthday coming for the somebody and you love, then you can give the membership to somebody. And IEEE Day. So every year IEEE Day is organized. And on this IEEE Day, you can organize the IEEE Day on the month of October and participate in the local event, collaborate in the project and share your photo with a chance to win IEEE Day awards. So this is a complete recognition and prize. So this is basically volunteership and get award. And then is IEEE provide the education resources. So these are the different various type of education resources. So you will get the information from this type of online sources. I'm sorry. Then is a co-branded membership discount. So these are the technically software, computer hardware, student loan benefit, vision care, counseling, and the telemedicine, auto insurance. So every get you will benefit. Example of the exclusive IEEE member saving. So we'll get the benefit on the IEEE co-branded discount. Also, you will enroll with the IEEE HSC, HEC, as well as a site. So site is a free of cost membership. So that is a special interest group on the humanitarian technology, and HEC stand on the humanitarian activity committee. So join with IEEE HEC and site to get involved. That is a free of cost. So no need to pay the amount. So if you have a question regarding the site, so you can see here is some volunteers doing the activity. It's a professional activity, solar panel, generate energy from the bicycle, and other type of activity. So suppose you have any query regarding the how we can organize this type of activity in your local section. So if you have questions, so you can just write to the site at the IEEE.org. And within the 24 hours, you will receive the response. And that is like free membership. So somebody don't know about membership is also free. That is like EPIC IEEE membership. That is energy, engineering, project in community service, WI IEEE site, and ETA Kapunu. So these are the free membership. Suppose you are an IEEE member. And then is the IEEE student branch program. So suppose you are organized any local activity in your student branch chapter, then you can share your activity on the IEEE V-Tool. Then across the globe, IEEE volunteer involved in your activity, and then you can get more participant in your activity, and you can share your idea with other student branch chapter. So these are, suppose you are your student branch is a very active, then you will receive this type of award: Larry K. Wilson Regional Student Activity Award, IEEE Regional Exemplary Student Branch Award, Outstanding Student Branch Counselor and Branch Advisor Award, and Ellen Chong Student Activity Award. So this type of award you will receive if your student branch chapter is very active. And then is a student branch reporting. So in your college, student branch is there and one society is there, PLS society is there. So you can report officer as well as annual plan, meeting, and event in following websites. So if officer report, you can use vtool officer.vtool.IEEE.org, and annual plan you can report on this website. And for the meeting and event, you can report and inform to other student branch chapter by this vTool platform. Benefit of reporting the activity. So why we need to report our activity on the vTool platform? So suppose you actively and regularly report your activity on vTool, then you will allotment to $100 is given to if a student branch is a 50 or more member. So suppose in your student branch section, student branch chapter have more than 50 member, then you will receive the $100 every year. If the student branch has a fewer than 50 member, then you will receive the $50 every year. So this is a main benefit. So you will receive the financial from the IEEE US section. Additionally, rebate of the $2 per student or graduate student member based on membership statistically of 31st December the previous year. So every year that is a count the member, how many member, graduate student member, based on the member criteria, every student member receives the $2. So this is not a student member, this is for the student branch chapter. It is not like particular student. It is not like personal amount. Then is a changes to the annual report. Suppose you want to change your annual report, suppose you submitted your report and suppose you want to edit your report, then you can edit your report by going to the vTool, IEEE vTool. Then key resources for the student volunteer. So there is a one section is there in IEEE vTool. There is a OU section. So you can just click on this link and then you can directly go to the OU section. From OU section, you can get information your student branch chapter. So how many student member involved in the IEEE student branch chapter in particular in your institute, otherwise in my institute, any institute. So that is a common platform, that is a OU analytical platform. So you can see this is a platform. So you can see that is a like student count by gender, female, male, unknown. So that is, you can easily get the data from this IEEE OU analytical section. And then is a why connect with my section. So you will get more idea which type of activity we will going to organize. So you will get more idea from connect with the other section. So we can say it's a collaboration activity. So how you can connect with the other section. So that is a roster. I already told that is a roster, SSSC and SSR, V2 event, branch annual report, and back prestige video. So you can also create your event video and upload on V2. So another student will get idea to how we can organize the activity. And important reminders, it is like you have to upload your activity and register the office barrier, everything like chairperson, vice chair, everything on the V2. So you will get the fund from the US section. So you no need to pay. So we no need to spend the amount by our pocket. So every time you are update your information on the V2, so automatically you will receive amount from the US section, and then you will use this amount for the volunteership as well as to organize the event. Student resource, that branch formation, branch calendar, web hosting for the branch, membership development kit. So you will receive the kit. Inside the kit, there is a one diary, book, then is a like many items available in the development kit. Then is a funding, branding and visual identity, awards, funding, and SPA program, everything IEEE extended. So these resources you can get from the student IEEE org website. And then as a student resources, V2 volunteer training, branch leadership training. So you can just click on this website and you will get more volunteer training program. Video training, best practice for the student branches. So you will get the information from this link. And website, that is a student.IEEE.org, and visual identity, that resource in the toolkit. You will get the information from this website. Suppose you have a more query, otherwise any problem, so you can just click on the website student.IEEE.org. Otherwise, you can just send mail to student services@IEEE.org. So you will get the more information from this platform. Suppose you want to get more information in your student branch chapter. Otherwise, you want to do anything apart from the student branch chapter, then you can just write the mail to this student service@IEEE.org. Suppose you are not IEEE members till now, so just create IEEE account and join with 50% discount. So I will share this promo code with Satish sir, and then you will get IEEE membership with 50% discount, and some IEEE is a free of cost. So that is a IAS, PES, and IES membership, that is a free of cost. So I will share this promo code with the Satish sir, and then I will request to Satish sir, please share this promo code with your student branch chapters, then become the more member in your student branch chapter.
Sure, sir. Sure, I'll forward.
Yeah, so finally, this is my last slide. That is this society helped me to making the presentation. So thank you so much for the various society for the getting the information and everything. Thank you so much for the listening to me. And if you have any query, so please ask me. I am happy to answer your question. Thank you so much.
So what is the difference between journal and transaction submission?
So that conference and transaction, actually conference, it is like we have to go there, particular for the whenever this conference is organized. So we have to go there and present our research paper. And in conference paper, we need to show our like 5% novelty in the research one. But in journal, you have to specify the novelty, total novelty work in the journal paper with your simulation as well as the hardware result. Without hardware result, is it sure it will not publish in any IEEE reputed journal like IEEE IES, IEEE Transaction on Industrial Application Society, IEEE Industrial Electronics Society, any reputed transaction without any hardware, without any novelty, you cannot publish in the transaction. So that is the main difference in the conference and transaction. So in summarize, I can say conference paper we can publish without our novelty work and without our hardware. But in the journal paper, your transaction paper, we must be novel idea as well as the validate our experimental result with the simulation result. That is a main difference in the IEEE transaction paper and IEEE conference paper. In journal paper, we no need to go to present our paper, but we need to just submit the paper and then satisfy to reviewer. That is a main difference. I hope I answered the question.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So participants, any other questions? You can unmute yourself and ask, or you can type it in the chat window. So utilize this webinar.
Yeah, if you have any question regarding the volunteership, regarding the IEEE membership for the BTech student, MTech student, others faculty member as well as the research scholar. So please ask. I'm happy to answer your question. So Satish sir, here is mostly BTech student. Yeah, that is a mixing.
More are BTech students, sir.
Okay. And how many how many members in your student dance chapter?
In my college, only one society in our department. Similarly, in EC department, 2 societies are there.
Okay, so how many IEEE members are there? Around 50, 60?
Yeah, around 50 students are there. Student
Okay.
members. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, how to apply? I have one doubt. How to apply for travel grant?
Yeah, so the travel grant actually basically that is totally depend on the like IEEE volunteership. So suppose you are actively in the volunteer, correct? Actively in the IEEE volunteer, and suppose in this year IEEE IS annual meeting held in October in USA, then you can submit your application in the travel grant, and based on your application and your volunteership, they will give you the travel grant. And this travel grant maybe the 50%, maybe the 60%. So depend on your volunteership.
Okay, sir. Thank you. One more question in the chat window from Murali. So, if I want to publish paper in IEEE journals, whether IEEE membership is essential one for that?
Yeah. So recently, one of my paper accepted in the IEEE reputed journal, that is IEEE Transaction on the Industrial Electronics. So they asked the compulsory membership. So first author is compulsory membership. That is like corresponding to the first member, first author. It is a compulsory. It is a member of IES, Industrial Electronics Society. So suppose you want to become the member of IES, Industrial Electronics Society, then you must be take membership of IEEE. So just answer is yes, that is a compulsory. You need to take the IEEE membership. Suppose you have not IEEE membership, then maybe that overland charge is more compared to the IEEE member. But my suggestion and my suggestion is we need to take the IEEE membership. Suppose you are publishing the paper in IEEE journal. So that is a good, because this amount is not a big amount. It is only, suppose you are a faculty member, then it is only like $85 per year.
So on behalf of EEE Department, New Horizon College of Engineering, we heartily thank you for taking this my invitation to deliver this webinar. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Satish sir, and thank you, Principal sir and HOD sir to organize this event and give me opportunity to speak and share my IEEE volunteership to in your institute as well as the national webinar. Thank you so much again for listening. Thank you so much.